Finding yourself bored and numb? Well, no worries, because now you can get the all-new Ink Pods. So now you can listen to math on the go or on the road. So why stall? Get the all-new Ink Pods today.
Alright, so on week at a glance number 8, under Monday, we have this quiz number 2 review gallery walk. So you can click on it and go ahead and make a copy. You can change your name in 2 locations. You can do it at the top here.
It's time for game plans.
And also on the first slide. Some of you are still getting there, but I'm just reading the directions. A little bit hard to see. I used that salmon. You're going to do a think, right? And you're going to do this by yourself. You're going to get an assigned problem. So I'm going to pass out a piece of paper to you. And you're going to solve it on your piece of paper. So it's kind of like your scratch paper. If you're absent, you can just read what's there. When I walk around to pass out the paper, you can choose. You want to do it in a partner. But it's kind of weird. I just want you to do the same problem, but quietly. Like not asking someone, not collaborating. Can you do it by yourself? Because that's what you're going to have to do for the quiz. You're going to do it for 5 minutes. And then I'll say, you can pair up with your partner and compare your answers. You're going to glue it to a poster paper. And then you're going to confirm your answers and document those answers onto the poster paper. Then you're going to have to take a picture of your work. So this is slide number 3. Picture of your problem and your work. So this is your problem I'm going to give you. This is a picture of your piece of paper. Then when you guys are done, I'm going to give you time to create your poster. Picture of your poster here, picture of your poster here. We're going to hang those around the room. And then you're going to go around in a gallery, like an art museum. You're going to find only 2 other posters. How many cost? And I want you to pick a poster where you're like, oh, that's a pretty you read the problem and you're like, oh, that's pretty challenging. You take a picture of their work and then write, hey, like this problem was difficult for me because you explain why were you stuck? What knowledge were you missing? Maybe you get stuck on a correlation where there's no graph and you have to create, you see the student's work and you're like, oh yeah, it was really helpful to see them work out the problem and draw the graph out very visual. Okay, you're going to do that for 2 other posters. Okay, and at the end of class, if we have time, we'll fill out a reflection. What did you learn about yourself? What did you learn about others? Maybe your partner just talked to you about non-school related things. Your partner doesn't ask you questions. You need to learn how to engage them. And then something about the stats or the math. Okay, and then you're going. Oh, we're not going to the Eiffel Tower. You're just going to check off by deleting. You can delete the green or the red. What are 2 ways you're going to prepare for the quiz? There's a bunch of other ways. Okay.
Finding yourself bored and numb? Well, no worries, because now you can get the all-new Ink Pods. So now you can listen to math on the go or on the road. So why stall? Get the all-new Ink Pods today.